Hey Mo, Powerline Industries. Want to go over our final test out, what we do and what makes this equipment better, so when it shows up it actually runs. Excuse me. All right, so we got Steve and Brett here, our mechanics. So we go over test out, and I want to actually show how we do it. We actually test the burner and we preset it for your altitude. A lot of companies have no idea where they're shipping it to. They're just drop shipping out of a warehouse, crossing their fingers, hope it's gonna run. Hope you can get a hold of somebody if it doesn't. Okay, so part of what we do and part of the features we offer is you've got a PSI gauge right on the pump. And actually this is the oil pump for the burner system. So we'll dial that in. We like to have it at 125 PSI as a basic rule. And we're going to show how we do the burn test here. And Brad, of course, is only fired up, what?
5,000.
I don't know how many. We know if they're going to run good or not. We're doing a final test out. This is going right actually to sea level, so we're going to thoroughly test this unit out. Go ahead and show them how you do the burn test. And up there, Steve. So what that shows is you've got it set fairly rich.
Fairly lean, so the darker it is, the richer it is. You don't want it too rich.
So because it richens up towards sea level.
Right.
Okay. Next, when Brent runs the machine, we check the unloader. We have a PSI gauge right on board. We check the burner. We check to see how hot it's going to run. And you can go ahead and fire that up, Brent. Let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
And he'll run it sometimes, what, half hour? Half hour?
Least, yeah.
Okay.
1-2 tanks of water.
Come on over here, we'll show. There's a gauge right at the head of the pump, so see where you're running. Check for leaks. Also shows the heat rise, how hot you're going to get. Check the RPM. Put that up. Check the RPM where it revs to. That's right there. 3350 is usually where it's at. You wouldn't pull it. Cool her down just for a second. So we make sure everything's tight, no leaks. Sometimes in transportation a bolt or two might get loose underneath, but always double check it. So we're always looking for that, excuse me, for that. And then we winterize before we ship pretty much year round, because you never know where it's going to. We'll either blow it out or run antifreeze through it. And well, that's what we do to make sure you got a good quality running machine. Thanks. Any questions, call us anytime. Take care.